Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Young with Sask Ag Today here at the Western Canadian Crop Production Show in Saskatoon. And joining me today is the Executive Vice President of Ag Direct Hail Insurance, Bruce Lowe. Bruce, how you doing today?
Awesome, Ryan. Good to be here with you.
And good to be here too, and talking with you as well. You're here at the show, obviously. How have things been so far?
You know what? Anytime you get a chance to meet your customers face to face, shake a hand, and talk a little hail insurance, it's a good day, and we love that. It's an opportunity to connect and really enjoy some time with our customers. That's
good, and I could imagine you've had a lot of conversations with them.
Oh, absolutely. You know, everything from, boy, Bruce, you had, we had hail last year, and you guys came out, took care of us. You paid us, put us a check in our hands that fairly represented our losses, or they talk about how competitive our rates are, or how good our customer service is. It's all those things that makes us passionate about what we do.
Yeah, and every time we talk, you're always very passionate about this kind of stuff.
Oh gosh, anytime you can work with hard-working prairie farmers, and it's not an easy gig these guys do each and every day, and gals, and hail insurance is one of those necessary evils for a lot of farmers, and it's a cost of doing business. But when we're there, and our customers have a hail incident, and we go out there and adjust it fairly and professionally, and take care of them from putting that check in their hand. It does feel good, and we really feel like the entire team feels like we're really doing a service to hard-working prairie farmers.
And you got a pretty good team around you to accomplish that as well.
Oh, I'll say this: I believe that we've got the best claims manager in the business, Bailey Shekenick. He's phenomenal at what he does. Claims coordinator Beth, Lori, Megan, Sarah, Ellen, and then we got a team of about 40 adjusters that are amongst, I believe, the most passionate and professionally trained adjusters in the industry, that they want to go out there and, as I said, do a thorough job inspecting crops and making sure a farmer understands exactly about their adjustment in the event of hail. So.
And generally speaking, last year, how was that for you from a company perspective?
It was one of the lighter years, I don't mind telling you, Ryan. It feels good, and I think a lot of farmers understood that. It was, in terms of historical hail events, 2023 we got off a little lighter than we normally do, which is nice. Now, there's always challenges. Grasshoppers was a challenge. Some wildfires challenging. Some dry spots in and around, in particular in southern Alberta, has some difficulties. But listen, we've always said farming is not easy. There's always these challenges. But in the event of hail, or we also have a fire rider on our policies as well. As I said, we offer that level of protection for farmers. It makes them feel good that hey, I can sleep at night knowing that if I do have an event, I'm going to be well taken care of.
And what else separates Ag Direct Hail Insurance from the others?
Well, one of the, going back to 2014 when we started Ag Direct, we had a mission. And the mission was not only to offer some of the most competitive rates in the industry, but do that in a model that's direct and online. All the other companies at the time were using a model where they institute a broker, a local broker, a hail agent that would quote unquote get them the best rate they could. Well, the fact of the matter is, when we first started, no brokers were ever showing Ag Direct rates, simply because we don't compensate anybody, particular brokers and agents, to sell our insurance. Farmers log in with an email and a password once registered, and they complete their own application online, enter their land locations, their crops, the coverage they're looking for. They essentially, complete a quote for themselves, and if they like that quote, they go ahead and purchase and do the transaction right there online. And most brokers are compensated in the 8 to 10% commission range, and our goal from the outset was, let's eliminate that cost out of the equation and save farmers some money. Now, we go beyond that, because it's also got to be compelling customer service. We have a toll-free line where anybody wants to call. We're available up until midnight in season. And then lastly, as I've already touched on it, professional, thorough, fair claims handling. So if you can offer a very competitive rate, you offer a compelling level of customer service and professional claims handling, you're going to have a lot of customers coming back year after year, and in fact we do, and we're awfully proud of that.
Awesome stuff. Is there anything else that you wanted to add?
Well, I just want to thank CKRM for everything that you guys do. You're a very professional, ag reporter. Ryan, I'm glad you're in this business, hopefully for a lot of years, and always enjoy talking to you. Like I got to be honest with you, it's a pleasure dealing with you folks at CKRM, and I can't thank you enough for everything you've done for us.
I've always enjoyed our conversations whenever we talk on the phone, and I'm glad to see you in person.
Thanks, Ryan.
That's Bruce Lowe with Ag Direct Hail Insurance, and on behalf of Bruce, I'm Ryan Young with Sask Ag Today here at the Western Canadian Crop Production Show in Saskatoon.